Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Uh, haven't been doing a lot of updates on here lately. Got way too many irons in the fire. But figure we'll give you kind of a roundabout what's going on up here at the garage and kind of do a walk around, I guess. So let's get into it. There's some of the things I've been into. So Mossy here. The front ball joints were shot. So we've been working on it a little bit. Got new uppers, lowers. We'd already done shocks. Already rebuilt these on the video. Lower links. When I bought this thing, the brake lines on this side especially had been replaced. The rest of them are all original. But the one they replaced, they used some kind of a steel line that did not like Pennsylvania winters. So 3 years into owning Mossy, we finally replaced it. The shocks we'd done a while back, but the frame needed a little bit of cleaning up. So we got some wire wheels and wire wheeled it down a little bit, got some new paint on it. The Skyjacker springs were looking shabby. They'd been painted red originally, then somebody painted them black, then somebody painted white paint on them, then they painted them black again. And all that was flaking off. It was horrible. So we started working on that a little bit. I'll give you a shot of the other side over here. Yeah, the springs and things and everything under here is just not happy. So we're giving her a little touch up. Getting things looking nice. Also put a onboard air compressor on. Got a video coming up on how we got to that. Kind of redneck engineered. Over here we got Zed. She's just been being good. Had a little bit of a oil leak under the hood. Valve cover, just tightened some bolts. It's happy. Then we got Midnight. Midnight's being my brake line caddy. These are the brake lines. I got a stainless steel kit that I'm putting on Mossy. It came from inline tube. Pretty happy with it. Just look at that nice straight floor. Got a little bit of rubbing, but not too bad. Midnight, got another video coming up once I get around to editing it. We put new window felts in and the channel. Made driving this in colder weather with the windows up so much nicer. There'll be a video coming up on that. I have not done these yet. I found on my drive, now that everything else is quiet, we had to do the old, put some paper in between the latch here to tighten her up a little bit so she'd be quiet, but we might get back to that. Other than that, old Midnight doing pretty good. We did put new felts on our Z-bar down here. That tightened up things, made things happy. Look at that shiny engine. That was last winter's project. We got it all painted up and looking good. Got the radiator record on her. It's running nice and cool. New thermostat, new water pump. All them fun things. Up on top over here, also we got new lights in here not too long ago. That's making things nicer. Got some more to go back here I got to put up yet, but we got Bob the MG up here, 1974. You guys don't normally get to see her from this angle. Get stepped around the lift here. Also, before I forget, we did do timing on this guy. Got a new timing light. That helped it a little bit. This guy, I got to do the timing on him. Of course, she's an MG, so she's going to have some drips. We got the trays under there to keep this one de-oiled. All right, we'll step around the other room. This guy we haven't really done a feature on. He's a KLR or 650 Kawasaki Adventure. ABS, all them fun things. Got it last year about this time. Been a pretty fun little ride. Haven't done much to it other than change oil in it the first time. Got a GPS zip tied up on the bar up here. Guy should buy a mount for that, but zip ties are working for now. But it's been a pretty fun ride. Got me back into motorcycling a little bit. Of course, if you got one, you got to have two. Just picked this guy up over the weekend. Can-Am Riker. We'll get around the other side here. Yeah, got this as a demo a dealer had. It's actually 2 years old. Got a pretty good deal on it. Pretty happy with it. Yeah, have some fun with that. We'll probably get some videos for you guys on these two eventually. And we still got the old workhorse. Got some snow plowing adventures with this guy through the winter, living up here on Mount Doom. The old girl, 2001, she just keeps putting in the work and giving me no trouble. Gonna be doing an oil change on it before here long. Might show you guys that. Then we got the old daily driver. We haven't done much on it. I was going to do a video on it when I got it, but 10 days into owning it, I flattened a deer. Pretty well took out the grill, fender flare, dent in the hood. It was not a happy day. Amazingly enough, their steel modular bumper, it'll take a hit. Did good. But it's been a pretty fun ride. Got some lights mounted up on here. Gotta do some mud flaps and that kind of stuff eventually. Then we got the big workhorse. The guy drags all this stuff home I keep finding. 2017 6.2 liter gas Lariat. This guy just keeps putting in the work. We got it all decked out. We'll get some switch. Classically status, we got to have the cool marker lights on the side, just because, you know, what's marker lights if they aren't flashing and lighting up the running board? And if you're gonna have junk in the back, you got to have all the lights. I mean, got to be able to see it all, right? Yeah. Then last but not least, this little guy. 1960 Austin Healey Bug Eye Sprite. She don't get as much work done on her as I'd like to. Of course, with all the other projects, you know. But anyway, this guy's moving up the list. We're going to get the drivetrain put back in her. We got some of the seats reupholstered up a little bit. Kind of dirty from sitting in here, but been in storage for a little bit. Got the dash all nice and green. And there's what the finished paint's going to look like whenever we get to it. We did a little testing on the inside of the door panel here. But this guy's moving up the project list. Got some push button latches on here. You can push those down and flip the hood forward. Make easy working under the hood for a tall guy a whole lot easier. But yeah, that's a quick update on some of the goings on here. Right down the little doobly-doo down there at the bottom. It's one of these projects you want to see some more of, and we'll see if we can make it happen. Some of the stuff I talked about, I've made videos. Just haven't got them out to you guys yet because I'm too busy working on the stuff to make the videos to share them with you. But we'll get there. There's some rain days coming. Maybe we'll get it done then. When we can't be out playing with these things now that the weather's getting better. 3 cheers for better weather. We'll see you guys in the next video. And keep it together and keep it real and have a good one. And any chance you get, work on your projects, because, you know, yeah, and speaking of projects, yeah, they're hiding everywhere. We got one up there too. 71 Honda 100 with 24 2,400 miles on it, original. Yeah, I got to get that together too. Alrighty, see you in the next one.